Hi, my name is Therese and I work as a UX UI designer here at Mouseflow, and today I get to show you Friction Insights. The first thing I want to show you is the friction overview. And what you see here is a bar chart with the distribution of the different friction events that have occurred on your website in the chosen date range. And here I can see I have a lot of dead clicks. And if I jump over here, I can see the exact number and what percentage that is out of the total occurrences. And I'm also able to jump into our session replay tool and see what exactly is happening in this case with the different frictions. Here it would be interesting to see what's actually going on with these dead clicks. And I'm able to do that just with a click of a button here. So the next one I want to show you is the sessions and friction. And here you're able to see an area chart that represents the total sessions and then the sessions with friction. You're able to see the exact amount of sessions and then friction events that occurred on that day. You're able to dig into the specific friction event, let's say 404. Then I'm able to cancel out the total session so I can dig into the specific friction event. So I'm able to see here that I have a spike the 26th. Maybe I updated some pages, maybe I made some other changes, but now I have the date, so I'm able to dig into what actually happened that day. So the next widget that I get to show you guys is the top pages to focus on. And seeing a long list of frictions can feel overwhelming because when is it severe? When should it take priority over the 1,000 other tasks you need to do? With the top pages to focus on, Mouseflow does the calculation for you, and it recommends where you should focus your limited time. We base our calculations on factors such as friction severity, friction frequency, and the popularity of the page. So you're able to see which page are we talking about, how many times has the friction occurred, and what percentage of page views has it occurred. And of course, you can also get your friction visualized by jumping to the friction heat map or watching session replays. The next widget you can see is pages with the most click friction. Here you can see a ranked list of the pages that cause the most click friction. You can break it down by total, click rate, dead clicks, and click errors. You can see the occurrences, and then you can see the page views affected. And of course, here you're again able to jump directly into the heat map and session replay. The same is possible to do for the elements with most friction. Here you can see the element, see the page that it's occurring on, the amount of occurrences. Again, you can break this down by click rate, dead clicks, and click errors. And you can again see the friction visualized. But the cool thing about this widget is that you're actually able to go to the friction heat map and get the element highlighted directly here. You can see it highlights this element on a red box. This indicates to me that users are thinking that they're able to click on this image. Maybe they wanted it bigger. Maybe there was some other issue, but at least this is indicating that people think they can click. The last one I want to show you is the top click errors. In the top click errors, you'll see the JavaScript errors that most often are occurring on your website. You're able to see the error message, the occurrences, and then you're able to jump directly into session replay, watch the sessions, see exactly what's going wrong.